Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add dependents on TurboTax. First, log into your TurboTax account and begin your tax return. Next, navigate to the Federal tab, then select Deductions and Credits. From there, locate the You and Your Family section and choose Dependents. This is where you will begin the process of adding information for each qualifying person. Once you are in the Dependents section, click Add a Dependent to begin entering their details. You will need to provide their full name, social security number, and date of birth. Also, specify their relationship to you, such as child or parent, and indicate how many months they lived in your home during the tax year. Accuracy is key for these important details. TurboTax will then guide you through a series of questions to determine if your dependent qualifies. You will confirm their gross income was below the annual limit, which is typically around $5,050. Also, verify they did not file a joint return with a spouse. These questions ensure they meet the IRS criteria for a qualifying child or qualifying relative. After answering all the qualifying questions, carefully review all the dependent information you have entered. Double-check names, social security numbers, and dates of birth for accuracy. Make any necessary edits before proceeding with your tax return. Finally, confirm the dependent is correctly added and reflected in your tax summary, ensuring you receive all eligible credits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.